So hey guys, welcome back. It's Tyra the Third, and today we're going to do my nightly lock routine. Thought it would be cool to come on here and give you guys some extra pointers of what I do to maintain my locks on a nightly basis. So if you want to see more, just keep watching. Just finished the workout. Y'all want to see how many calories I burned for the day? Yeah, so I burned like 1120 calories today. So you know, we trying to get snatched for my birthday, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, I just got back from a workout, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take this head wrap off of my head because it is cutting off my circulation. A little update, I have a new lock here. I don't know if y'all remember, but I lost a lock. This is what it looks like. And I have a new one right here in the front too that my loctician started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare routine. I don't think y'all are interested in that. This isn't really a skincare video, so I don't want to stay on this too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this part. So that's the end of this video. I just wanted to come on. I don't want to do an outro for this one. I literally just want to leave. Alright y'all, that's the end of my video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.